What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Wolfgang, also known as AirWolf, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set up your DJI Inspire 2 secondary remote to achieve the famous Dutch angle. Yeah, you know what I mean? Pretty cool, it's easy. Cut to the intro. Now the Dutch angle, also known as the Dutch tilt, is a very common cinematographer's technique. It's a technique by where the camera rotates counterclockwise and clockwise, giving the image a really cool cinematic effect. This technique has been used in tons of movies and now recently in the drone community. It's a really easy setup, and I think it's gonna add a lot more value to your cinematography game. Now, as far as I know, you are gonna need two remotes. So this is gonna be primarily for the camera operator when you're flying dual op mode. Can't do this if you're just single opping. It is something you're gonna have to do with the dual op system. I believe on the Sendence remotes, you can add those multiple functions, so you can perform this in a single op situation, but just for argument's sake, I'm just gonna show you guys how to set it up on the secondary remote within the DJI Go 4 app. So let's just jump into it.
Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and launch the DJI Go 4 app. And as you can see, my camera on the left-hand side of the screen here is blue. So I'm just gonna disable it, then we'll reset it up, reconnect. We okayed it, and it's blue, so that means now the secondary remote is connected. And now we have full functionality of the camera. So as you can see, mine's already set up. The right joystick controls back and forth, and the left joystick controls the tilt. So what you're going to want to do now is just go ahead and hit the three little dots in the top right hand corner, and you're going to click on the remote, and you're going to see gimbal stick mode. Click on that. Now mine's already set up, like I just said. Just for argument's sake, I'm just going to go back to default, apply, and then we're going to go back into custom, and this is where you'll customize the setting to get that Dutch angle. And now everything's cleared. So what you're going to want to do, now this is completely up to you, but I have mine set up so my pitch up and down is going to be on the right side of the remote. So the right joystick, just drag it over. So now the pitch will be up and down. And now we're going to drag over the yaw. So the yaw left, left and right. And this is all just on the right hand joystick. And now this is where you do the Dutch. The clockwise, you want to rotate counterclockwise and clockwise. And there you go. Real easy setup. Just exit out and we are in business. And that's what it looks like. Really easy setup for you guys. I hope this tutorial helps you guys out a little bit, and hopefully with this slight modification, it'll step up your drone game. So that's pretty much it.
Well, that is it for me. I hope this video has helped you guys out. If it has, go ahead and like the video, comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Wolfgang. I am a UAV pilot here in Los Angeles, California, owner and operator of AirWolf.la, if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. And also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna be putting out some more informational drone videos for you guys to help your drone career. So until next time, safe flying, and I'll see you guys soon.